In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove favorites in Outlook. If your Outlook sidebar feels a little too cluttered, removing the favorites section can make the layout look much cleaner and easier to work with. This is especially helpful if you prefer a simpler folder list and don't need quick access to pinned folders at the top of the navigation pane. The good news is that this change is very quick to make, and you can always turn it back on later if you change your mind. To get started, open Outlook on your computer and wait for the app to fully load. Once Outlook is open, make sure you're looking at the main window where your email folders and inbox are visible. The Favorites section usually appears near the top of the folder list on the left-hand side, so that's the area we'll be adjusting. Next, go to the View tab in the top menu of Outlook. This tab contains display and layout options that control how Outlook looks on your screen. If you don't usually use the View tab, don't worry. Everything you need is easy to find once you click into it. After that, look for the Folder Pane option. This controls the visibility and arrangement of the folder list in Outlook. Click Folder Pane to open its menu, and from there, find the option labeled Favorites. If Favorites is currently enabled, it will be checked. Now simply click Favorites to uncheck it. As soon as you do that, the Favorites section will be removed from the left side of Outlook. Your regular folders will still remain available, so you're not deleting anything. You're only hiding that Favorites area from view. This means your inbox, sent items, and other folders will still be accessible exactly as before, just without that extra section at the top. If you ever want to bring Favorites back, you can follow the same path again. Go to View, open Folder Pane, and click Favorites to re-enable it. So this is a completely reversible display setting, which makes it safe to adjust based on your personal preference. And that's all it takes to remove Favorites in Outlook. It's a simple change, but it can make your workspace feel more organized and less distracting, especially if you like to keep your email layout as clean as possible.